Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can downgrade to a cash account on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, open your Robinhood app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Menu and go to Settings. From there, tap on Robinhood Gold if you're currently using it. You'll see details about your Gold benefits and subscription. To downgrade, tap Cancel Gold Subscription or Downgrade to Cash Account. Confirm your choice when the app asks if you want to continue. Robinhood will switch your account to a cash account once your billing cycle ends. This means you'll no longer have access to margin trading or instant deposits, but you can still buy and sell using settled cash in your account. You'll get a confirmation message once the downgrade is complete. If you don't see the option in the app, you can also open the Robinhood website, log in, go to account settings, and cancel Gold from there. And that's it. Now you know how to downgrade your Robinhood account to a cash account easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.